Hi, your name is Peter for Peter.in, and in this new video, in this sunny day, I'm gonna tell you guys about the top 5 tips and tricks about the camera of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. And I have been making a lot of a series like tips and tricks about the camera, and with the recent update we do have some new features added. So in this new video, I'm gonna actually review them in this video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, we are all familiar with touching anywhere in the screen and autofocusing, and at times it can be really difficult to manage autofocus as well as take a shot perfectly. But here's a new feature: if you tap and hold on the shutter button, the device automatically autofocuses for you guys. As you can see, when I tap and hold on the shutter button, the device automatically autofocus, so that I can actually get some really perfect shot without actually wasting time in touching the screen around and missing the perfect shot that I wanted to. So it's actually really good feature to be tested out, guys. So the next feature is actually about a Samsung mode which has been included with the latest software update. If you tap on the icon right here, you are directly taken to the Samsung mode application. And guys, I do made a complete video about this, and I'm not gonna waste any more time here. And the summary is that, guys, you can actually shoot a particular product that you want to buy, and without typing anywhere, you can actually take a snap of that particular subject and you can buy it directly. And next feature is that you can actually autofocus as well as auto exposure lock, and it has been said by me in a lot of videos, but still a lot of people don't know about it. So guys, with using this feature, you can actually get a really blurry background. If you actually autofocus on a particular subject, here you can see the object will be always in focus. Even though I remove that particular object out of the frame, you can see that the background remains completely blurred. So this is how we can actually take some professional videos as well as the photos with the J7 Pro. So guys, the next feature is about the front camera, that is definitely the portrait mode. And portrait mode has been improved with this update a lot, guys, but it is not that great improved when compared to some of the other smartphones. And J7 Pro use it via software, but a lot of other devices are using it via dual camera setup, and you can see it is not that perfect even now. And I hope that Samsung will actually provide some really good updates in the future and improve the portrait mode on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. But now it's still under development, guys. So another feature that was really amazing when it was launched was palm selfie, and a lot of people actually forget about this feature on the J7 Pro, but we do have that feature with the J7 Pro. At times, guys, it can be a really good feature if you're taking some really good selfies. You don't want to mess around with the shutter button kind of stuff, and that's where you can actually show your palm. Device recognizes your palm and takes a selfie for you. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more like this. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.